I learn so much more. Well, not only the presentations, but the after effect when we meet out here in the lobbies or in the exhibit halls, and we just talk about things and like, what have you experienced? And that's how I learn a lot. I understand that I need to keep up with the technology, and a lot of the knowledgeable people that are trying to, say, hey, this makes your job easier. I'm starting to listen to that now.
My first conference was last year, 2024. It was such a validating exercise. The sense of community that I felt, the welcoming energy, the attitude of other people, the willingness to share. People are very curious about solutions and technology. How do you deploy it in a safe way?
You're going to talk to the people that help make the decisions, elbow to elbow with building owners, building managers. Let's Chicago.